The Ridge wallet is a minimal front pocket wallet that is designed to let you ditch your bulky wallet. It is slim with RFID blocking and lifetime guaranteed. It is the last wallet you will ever buy. It comes in gorgeous titanium, lightweight carbon fiber, polycarbonate and over a dozens of different styles and colors. The Ridge also provides some amazing weatherproof duffel bags which also supports power banks. Visit ridgewallet.com/Anoylity and use the promo code Anoylity to get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping at the link in the video description.